welcome to another video. Today we're going to be playing Sonic Dash 2 Sonic Boom. As you see, I haven't made a video on this yet, first video. But the free character I got was Knuckles. And you started out with Sonic, of course, because he's Sonic. But then
you work your way up and you can do a shadow challenge. And you beat it, of course.
Yes, we actually beat the shadow challenge.
It took us 3 days.
Camera. But yeah, it took us a couple days to do it.
But we finally beat it.
But we did it. So yeah.
I believed in ourselves.
I believed in myself. So we're gonna do the score chaser stuff.
What is a score chaser?
I don't know what it's a challenge, it said.
Can't get away from me. It's a challenge for Tails, I think.
I don't think it is. If it is,
add Tails as a picture. You can get a free revive.
That's not the green one. I have the blue Sprite.
If we can get Tails, we can.
If we got Tails, we're trading Tails for Knuckles. No, Tails for Sonic.
Yes, for Sonic.
Hey, what? I have a question.
What?
When are you going back to Chicago?
Sometime next week.
Alrighty. Oh, there we go.
Push up, Steve.
Yeah, they didn't see Steve. He has a collectible of Steve. It came with other stuff, but George lost it. Then we're gonna show off some. It's gonna be a video all about some George's toys.
Steve will be taking over the space camera.
Yeah, the face camera's right here.
Whatever.
Grandmaster Steve. Steve from Minecraft.
Steve's head fell off.
It doesn't tell. He's dead. He must go now.
Okay. He's still bouncing around doing stuff.
Alrighty, let's get back on here.
Get away from me.
But yeah, Shadow was a very hard challenge.
It was so hard.
Like, we got 1,000. We hit the thousands today. Tablet died from like being on this all day, all night. After they went to sleep, I woke up like a boss. Yeah, I woke up. And then I got to the thousands, and then I got 500 more. And boom, we got Shadow. His special ability is he can throw Chaos Spears, which blows up mines and enemies.
It just basically blows up mostly everything in your path.
So, let's switch into the homies.
We can turn into Sonic or
Sonic.
Or Nipples the Enchilada.
Alrighty. We're gonna do any money my way here. No, I do it.
Ears.
You wanna start?
Ears.
We ran out of time.
And we had to stay with Shadow. That's what I hate about this game. You run out of time when you're changing your character. Well, I guess you have to stay with the homie Shadow.
But
Shadow, the edgiest hedgehog of all.
But yeah, he's saying all the MLG forms. I don't know why he's saying MLG forms right now.
Because Shadow's MLG.
But when I learn how to edit, I'm gonna start putting MLG sunglasses on people when I learn how to edit. Because I do not know how to edit. I know how to edit and write words and stuff, but I don't know how to put emotes and pictures of things.
You should have commented on Corey.
How? Oh yeah, one of our favorite tubers of all time, Corey Kenshin, just made a video
on Subnautica.
We suggest you go check that out and Sister Simulate slice that like button for the bad hours it took Corey to come back.
Because he's the one that inspired Chris to start a YouTube channel.
Yes. George X Machina. it's a crazy person in the house. But yeah, this was just an awesome achievement unlocking Shadow.
We just finished, when we were playing the challenge and finished it, it said so and then we died.
Yeah, it said we finished level 6 and then we just died.
On purpose.
No, I actually didn't die on purpose. I was just trying to keep going, but I died. But I think if you would have got you all probably are thinking like, what the heck are you talking about? But also, I think if you would have got to 3,000, I believe, you might have got another Shadow. I think you can do that in this game.
I don't know.
But this time, we're gonna do strongest to weakest. So Knuckles the
Strongest. Enchilada. Echidna, enchilada, same thing. Just different pronunciations. Actually, they're spelled different.
What I don't like about Knuckles is he can't destroy mines when he jumps and does his ground pound.
Yeah,
I'm actually gonna test that out. Oh, he actually can. Knuckles can do it, people.
Knuckles can destroy most everything except rocks in this game. We died doing it.
But as you guys see, just wanted to make a quick video on that. So that would be the end of this video, and goodbye.
In this game, always take new opportunities.
Yes, you just said is actually accurate for once.